Hello, Willie Stultz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2013 Hino 268. It's stock number 41928 to look at it on our website. Before we jump into the walk around, we're going to go over a couple things we do to these trucks to get them ready. And we also want to remind you to hit the like button and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new trucks that we put on the website and on YouTube when they come out. Like we say, this is a 2013 Hino 268. It's got the 220 horse diesel engine, Allison automatic transmission. We get these trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our leasing departments. Once we've done that, we weed out the trucks we don't want, wholesale them to get rid of them, and keep only the best quality trucks for our customers to buy. Once we've done that, we do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, lift gates, tires, brakes, engine, transmission fluids. Any discrepancies we find, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a quick QC test drive, clean up, and get them ready for sale. This particular truck has had the 150-point check, and on top of that, we have done the engine oil filter, air filter, fuel filter, and the DPF filter has been cleaned on this truck, and this truck is also pre-qualified for the AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the cab real quick. As we climb up into the cab, plenty of grab handles. This particular truck has an air suspension driver's seat. It's got a two-person bench seat, so you can have a crew of 3 in here. And with the Hinos, you've got excellent outward visibility, but pretty good upward visibility too with that slanted hood. As we said, this is diesel automatic, so it's really easy to drive. We've got AM, FM, CD player, air conditioning, and one nice feature this truck does have is the remote mirrors, so your guys can adjust the large mirrors from the driver's seat. That way they're not having to get in and out to get those things adjusted, save some time and safety if they had to adjust it going down the road. And even though this truck is a 2013, you can look at it, it cleaned up really nice. This would be a nice, safe, dependable, clean ride for your guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. This is a 24-foot stake body, basically. The only difference is it's got stakes on the back, but a nice feature is the sides fold down, as you can see right here. That way you're not having to pull the stakes in and out. We've got a nice 90-gallon aluminum fuel tank on it. It's got good rubber. And also this truck can go dock to dock, dock to ground, or ground to dock with this nice 2,500-pound tuckaway liftgate. It's 80 inches wide, it's 40 inches deep, so you can get a pallet jack, or whatever you need to run up and down on it. We'll go ahead and run it up. It gets to the top, meets up nice, and as we said, we've got stakes on the back, and we've removed one for you. So you can take one off and run your load up there, bring it back out and redo it. We'll bring that gate back down for you. And as you can see, it works just as good going down as it does going up. Here at Industrial Power, our customers come in looking for big white delivery trucks. As you can see, and as we've said before in other videos, we don't have just big white delivery trucks. We've got vocational trucks, we've got flatbed stake beds, we have the landscape bodies and other type bodies to fit your needs. And even though this is a stake bed, we can still take that cab and wrap it in your name, your graphic, your design, phone number, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're running down the road. Again, we've got a really nice 2013 Hino 268 stake bed. As always, you can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, or subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can hit that like and subscribe button so you're not missing out on any trucks that we put on there pretty much every day. If you'll stick with us for a second, we're going to tilt the hood on this truck, start it up, and that way you can get a little bit better video of just the truck so you can take a better look at it. And as always, we appreciate your time.